or how this works. Let's use the same drawing that I have. This angle, I'm gonna say that angle is 40 degrees. And I will give you, let's say, the hypotenuse. And let's say the hypotenuse is 20 meters. Okay? So that is my question. I am to find the opposite and the adjacent of this triangle. Alright? I need to find the opposite and the adjacent of this triangle. That is what happened. For some reason, all of you went off at the same time. Alright. So if we're looking for the opposite, let me write out power here. So I have the hypotenuse, which means that it can be one of these two. So these two have hypotenuse on them. If I want to find the opposite, which is what I will do first, I will use sine. So when I say using sine ratio, I'll write out the formula. Sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. And I'll put in the numbers. The theta is the 40. So I'll say sine of 40 degrees equals opposite. I don't know what it is, but I know that the hypotenuse is 20 meters. Okay? So, I want the opposite to be the subject of the formula. And remember, we did transpose before. So this would be a case 4, where we have a division. So I will multiply or cross multiply. Let's do cross multiplication so it's easier. When I cross multiply, I'm going to have 20 meters times the sine of 40 degrees equals opposite. Okay? Since 20 is a multiple of 10, okay? Since 20 is a multiple of 10, and it's not a weird number, it's easy to multiply by 2, I will use my natural sign. So if the number is like, let's say like 45.3, then I will have to use my log tables. But when it's a number is a multiple of 10, I use my natural log tables. So I'm sorry, my natural sign. Alright, I don't use my log tables, I just use my natural sign. So my natural sign of 40, according to the 3-figure table, is 0.643. And that is going to give me my value of my opposite. So if I want to multiply this by 20, I'll move one decimal place backwards so as to cancel the 0, and I'll multiply this by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. But of course this is meters. Now the problem is that I can only use the first 3 digits. So the third digit is 8, and behind the 8, the number is 6. So I have to add 1 to the 8 to round off. So that's going to be 1.27 meters to 3 significant figures.